how to transfer money from USA to Canada. Now we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now open your Wise account as you can see and select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be USA, and select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Canada. If you don't find it, you can type it in the search bar as you can see. Now after that, what you need to do, just tap on send like that. And as you can see here, you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, $1,000 as you can see. Now after that, tap on pay with. Now you can select the connected bank or wire transfer, international wire, debit card or credit card or your balance. Now select connected bank account as you can see, and now tap on add recipient. Now as you can see, you can now tap on interact or bank details. Now click on bank details and now select someone else. And as you can see, you need their full name, instruction number, transit number, account number, and country of your recipient, the city, the recipient address, and the postcode. And after that, click on continue, and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Canada. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for your transfer up to $500. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Canada. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.